All right, gang, it's good news time. As you may have already seen posted inside of Canvas, is your really only legit extra credit opportunity in this entire course. There have been a couple extra credit questions on quizzes here and there occasionally, but this is it. This is your one chance to earn a huge pack of extra credit. So this extra credit assignment is in Canvas under the modules section. Scroll down through all the videos and labs, and actually I think it might even be above there. I'm not sure where I put it in the sequence, but extra credit has its own little heading inside the modules section. And there are two documents there. There is the extra credit questions, and then the second document is extra credit answers. So there are two separate documents. The questions, there are three questions, and they tell you exactly what you need to do to get the answers, or in terms of what the answers are expected. So the first one, you're just completing a results table based on the information in this little story problem, and based on two of the values already being given to you in here, you should be able to figure out what all the rest of the values are. Notice that, pay attention to the hint here, start with the degrees of freedom column. You won't be able to use the formula for all of these boxes. This isn't about doing a full-on step 3 in a hypothesis test. This is about realizing the relationships of how different boxes fit together. These two boxes added together should equal that one, or these two divided should equal that one, that sort of a thing. So fill in all the missing boxes. That'll get you 3.5 points. Next up is a hypothesis test. All you have to do is report step 3, all of your answers, and step 4, your decision. Either reject the null or fail to reject the null. The answer sheet doesn't have a space for your hypotheses or your critical Fs. Don't try to report those. They're not worth any points. That'll get you 5 points for all of that. And then the last one is another hypothesis test where you have to start from scratch. Nothing is given. All you have is raw data. So it's quite a bit of calculating to do an entire ANOVA from raw scores forward. And that one's worth 5.5 points. You're going to give me all the computations for step 3. You're going to give me your decision for step 4. And you're going to report that decision in APA format. All of those answers go in the second document, the answer sheet. So when you get there, download the answer sheet onto your computer. You're not going to really be able to do this on a phone. Download this onto your laptop or PC or MacBook or whatever you got going on there. Once you've got that downloaded, put all your answers into it. Just type it right into the answer sheet. Don't forget to put your name on it, please. Save it, and then send it back to me as an attachment. So you can either send it directly through the CSN mail, paul.billings@csn.edu. Remember, that needs to come from your student email account, or through a message right inside of Canvas. So don't try to attach it to comments. Don't try to use an assignment Dropbox. We're not really messing with any of that. Don't hide it from me. If you want me able to find your answers and give you points, this is worth a total of 14 points. Remember, a quiz is only 12, so even if you've missed, and a few of you have, an entire quiz, this will more than make up for all of those lost points. This is a huge packet of points. The deadlines are established in Canvas. You'll see the due dates. It's a weird due date. I'm making it for both my classes, my Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday classes. It's all due on a Sunday, just before midnight. Normally, I would have it due on the day you do the lab and quiz for Chapter 12, but things are weird right now, so you're going to get a little bit of extra time to get all that done. So it's extra credit. You do not have to do this work, but you will not get any other opportunity for extra credit at all in this class. This is it. So it's this or nothing for you for extra credit at this point forward. So I recommend that you do it. Do it well, of course, to get points. And again, please submit it properly so I will find it and be able to give you those points. If you have any questions about any of that, you know what to do. Get a hold of me. Otherwise, I'm recording this during spring break technically, so I hope you're all having a good spring break, recharging and regrouping and recollecting, and we'll see you later down the road for Chapter 13 lectures. Bye.